No.
Can you move? There you go.
The dog wants it. The dog wants it.
However,
But
I
the dog
want
has a heart on him.
It does have a heart on it. Here, Aiden.
Yeah, he wants me to. He wants me to do something.
Okay, what would you like to do?
He wants me to tend to a doctor.
Oh, look, Aiden.
Oh no.
What is it?
Your eye out?
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
My mother must.
Remember how you have the horse? Sydney, Daddy's trying to record for Aunt Tracy and Uncle Phil. Remember how you have the horse for your first ornament? This is Aiden's first ornament from Aunt Tracy.
I just want to pet it.
Against Red Ryder.
Why don't you actually go put it on the table? So
Or I can
now
put it
that
on
you're here, Aiden, why